Emofra, me mamu akwaba, ba, Tree Learning Headquarters. Tree Learning Headquarters. Tree Learning Headquarters. Yay! Eyemo wafa. Oh! And now we betting your friend wafa. Otuo. Me mamu akwaba. Eba. Tree Learning Headquarters. Yeah, Baba, this year, dear. Why you crowd? Yay! Emofra, Yemomakwaba, Eba, Tree Learning Headquarters. And there, ye Baba Bisia, Atinka, eye emotions and feelings. Emotions and feelings. In our lives, our day-to-day activity, we have emotions that tell us how we feel. The emotions tell us how we feel, or tell others how we feel. Watinka enechere senye wu esitie. Watinka echere senye wutie. Watinka chere senye wutie. Why na betimi aka atinka bi achere me? Yeah, Baba Bisia Atinka. We are about to learn about emotions. The first emotion is happy. 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 Eye energy. Happy. Eye energy. What is the tree name for happy?
Energy.
More. Why, dear. Many aje. I am happy. Many aje. I am happy. Many aje. I am happy. Try.
Many aje.
Many aje. Many aje. I am happy. Oh, my dear. Afi, atinka etoso. Eye. Sad. Aww. Sad. Aww. The next emotion is sad. Aww. Sad. The tree word for sad is areho. 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 Sad is areho. Sad is areho. Sad is areho. Aww. When one of your friends do something you don't like and you become very sad. Aww. So when now for nom ye bibi na enye wo da na ore aho. Aww. Areho. Sad. What is the tree name for sad?
Areho. Areho.
Areho. Atinka etoso eye angry. 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 The next emotion or feeling is angry. What happens when you are angry? What happens when you are angry? Angry. Angry. Angry chi dende. Ebufuo. Ebufuo. The chi name for angry is
Ebufuo. Ebufuo.
The chi name for angry is
Ebufuo. Ebufuo.
Mo moya dear. Ebufuo ye angry. When you are angry, mibu efu. I am angry. Mibu efu. I am angry. Mibu efu. Now, the next emotion we are about to learn is hungry. 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 Chi dinde. Ekom. 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 Hungry. Ekom. When you come back from school and lunch or dinner is not ready, then you feel like your tummy is rumbling. Then your stomach tells your brain that you are hungry. Hungry. Ekom. Ekom deme. I am hungry. Ekom deme. I am hungry. Ekom deme. I am hungry. Next time you see mommy, what are you gonna say? Mommy, mommy, mommy. Ekom deme. Ekom deme. Ekom deme. Everybody, let's go. Put your hands around your tummy, round, round, and say what? Ekom deme. What is the chi name for I am hungry?
Ekom.
What is the chi phrase for I am hungry?
Ekom. Ekom.
Moya dear, I am hungry. Ekom deme. Afi, atinka etoso aye baba bisuya. Eye tired. The next emotion we're about to learn is tired. Tired. I'm so tired. Tired. I think I'm tired. Aye, bre. Tired. Bre. What is the chi name for tired?
Bread.
What is the chi name for tired?
Bread.
Mo. Moya dear. Bre. Aye, tired. Bre. Aye, tired. My bre. I am tired. My bre. Everybody say, my bre. When you feel tired, what do you say? My bre. When you feel tired, what do you say?
My bread.
When you feel tired, what do you say?
My bread. My
When
bread.
you feel tired, what do you say?
My bread. My bread.
Mo, Maya dear. Mo. Afi, yedid ye chat to a cry. Se o koda. Na when you kumwa, you can say, I am sleepy. Your next emotion or feeling is feeling sleepy. Many kun. What is the phrase for feeling sleepy? What is the phrase for feeling sleepy?
Meliku, meliku,
What is the phrase for feeling sleepy?
meliku, meliku.
Why, dear, say when you come and one say, waka say, many kum. Wafa o, enemu beshia, na yesia, niema bebre. Momaba, nedomo.